Hi guys, welcome to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we love you and we thank you so much for your support. Valentine's is coming right around the corner for this 2018 year. Last year we did a series of heart-shaped hairstyles and you can click right over here to check them out. So we thought that we would show you how to do a very easy tie-back heart-shaped hairstyle.
So let's get started.
I went ahead and put some sea salt just to give it some texture. Anything I mentioned in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. The goal is to have a small section on each side of the hair to join the back. Okay, so you're going to secure this off. Okay, so next you're going to take a section right here from the ear, bring it back here, smooth this out, put your 2 fingers under here, take your thumb in front of this strand so it doesn't get blended in. The strand goes between these 2 fingers, bring it through, and then you take this and bring it over here. Okay? You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Smooth it out. Put your finger right through here. Thumb in front of this strand. Bring this over. You can even hold your finger right through here and then grab this strand before it goes through. Okay? Then you take these strands here and secure it off with an elastic band. To loosen this heart-shaped style, just bring down the elastic band a little bit and lift up the heart. You can go ahead and fix it to the way you like it. Make it bigger by expanding this out. Another tip, you can take this elastic band and take the ponytail that you had used before and secure it off right here, just to have that extra sturdiness. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please tag us on your version of this style.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To check out more of our videos, click on over there and there.
We love you guys, and until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys!
Bye!